let's talk about Realty Income, ticker symbol O, the monthly dividend company, today on Minds in Motion. The monthly dividend company went public in 1994. This income machine is one of the single best long-term income investments in the stock market today. Also provided growth of 16.8% annual average return per year. And as you can see, it tells you that right here since 1994. Now, a little bit more information on Realty Income. They have around 6,000 properties. It's a net lease REIT. They own the properties, but the tenants are responsible for most of their operating expenses. And during the 2007 to 2009 recession, Realty Income funds from operation grew 2.1%, and the S&P 500 index earnings fell 2.3%. So that's just a little example of Realty Income during a recession compared to the S&P 500. And what I want to do now is I want to look at Realty Income's website. Before I do that, in an article on Yahoo Finance, they said that Realty Income is probably the closest thing to a bond that you will ever find in the U.S. stock market. So here we are on Realty Income's website. And as you can see here, it says they are disciplined. It says consistent 50-year track record of providing dependable monthly income from real estate. Then it says here that they've proven 16.8% compound average annual total return since 1994, listed on the NYSEG. And then it says discipline, over $6.5 billion in monthly dividends paid to shareholders. They also say, let's see here. So this is just some information on the dividend. It says monthly dividends, strong shareholders returns. 16.8% compound average annual total return since 1994 on the NYSEG listing. 592 consecutive monthly dividends paid. 4.5% compound annualized dividend growth since 1994. And 89 consecutive quarterly increases. Now, some more information in regards to their dividend. Let's learn a little bit more about their monthly dividend. As you saw there, they've had 26 consecutive increases, averaging over 10 years at a 4.5% increase, beating inflation with a payout ratio of about 80%. And then they've also raised their dividend 104 times, paid 592 payments for 88 quarters of raises. And that's the same information. And it says here actually 89 consecutive quarterly increases because they just had a recent quarterly increase. So as you can see right here, it tells you the monthly dividend amount for shareholders on record of 1/2/2020 is going to be now 22.75 cents. The annualized dividend amount for shareholders on record of 1/2/2020 is $2.73. And the same information that I just went over right here tells you about their dividends. It shows you right here how their dividends have increased over the years. And then it has here the yield comparison table. And then here's some more information that you can look at about the dividend payment information. So it just says here, why get dividends from us? It's a monthly dividend. They have good growth. They are stable in their dividend income. So that's why you should choose Realty Income as a dividend stock. It says, how often are dividends increased? Dividends are increased when and if declared by our board of directors. Historically, we have generally increased the dividend each quarter. However, we cannot guarantee that this trend will continue into the future. And then it says, how do I measure Realty Income's dividend payment capacity? Typically, investors look at the company's dividend payout ratio to determine the stability of the dividend payment. This ratio is usually calculated based on the net income. As a real estate investment company, there is a supplement measure called adjusted funds from operations, or the AFFO, that better reflects the company's ability to generate cash flow to pay the dividends. Most research analysts use the AFFO to assess dividend paying ability, and the AFFO calculation removes the non-cash impact of the real estate depreciation and amortization, not sure if I said that right, and property sales gains, losses to net income, while adjusting for other unique revenue and expense items that are not pertinent to measuring ongoing operations. And then they have some more information about how they calculate the dividend, and you guys can check that out. So let's look at their portfolio. It says here that they have 274 commercial tenants operating across 49 industries located in 49 states, Puerto Rico, and the United Kingdom. Majority of the properties are leased to retail tenants that have a service, non-discretional, and or low price point components to their business. Maintaining a diversified portfolio helps ensure the stability of our revenue that supports the payment of monthly dividends. And also it says 2 of the largest tenants are Walgreens and 7-Eleven. And as they said here, 83% of their rent comes from retail, 12% is industrial, and 4% is office, and 2% in Europe. 98.3% occupancy during the last recession. Newer never fell below 96.6%. So to me, that says a lot about this company. Now let's just look. There's really not much news around the company. Now we jump over to Yahoo Finance, and we're looking at Realty Income Corp, ticker symbol O. It's currently trading at $73.14, which is down from its 52-week high of $82.17. It's a $25 billion market value company, and as you can see here, it says a market cap of $24 billion. It says a beta of 0.02%. Payout ratio is 57.50%. And then they do have an ex-dividend date coming up on 12/31. And then it says year-to-date target estimate is $80.75. So let's look here at the year-to-date. So if you look here at the year-to-date, you can see that in January, this stock was trading for around $50. It's been pretty much on a nice trend. And then it was at $80. And now, as you can see, these past few weeks, it's been going down. And I think that it's at a good buying point of $73.14, especially since it just increased its dividend. Just remember that this is not financial advice or investing advice. This is just me going over a stock that I like. I do invest in Realty Income, and I will show you guys my average price that I've paid for Realty Income. I just started investing in it in the last few weeks in my IRA account. So Realty Income, and I like it. It's a monthly paying dividend REIT, and I think that it's a good addition to my portfolio. last, let's look at my holdings of Realty Income. As you can see, I am down on my position. I am down $24.04 or 3.52%. My average cost is $75.81. My last price is $73.14. My total cost is $682.30, but my market value is only $658.26. So I started buying Realty Income in my IRA account on November 5th, and I paid $77.86. And then I just been trying to average down on my position since buying my first share. So the next share I bought was at $76.34. Then I was able to get a share at $75. And as you can see, I got a few shares at $75. And then I got one other share at $76. And then today I bought a share at $73. And yesterday I bought a share at $74. So I did add money to this account today, but it has not cleared. So in the morning, once that money shows up and I'm able to buy, I am going to buy another share. Hopefully it's still in the $73 range, which will bring my total to 10 shares of Realty Income for my IRA account. So guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. Is Realty Income a stock that you have in your dividend stock portfolio? Do you feel like Realty Income is a good retirement investment stock for passive income? And if you're holding Realty Income, what is your average price? And also, are you going to be buying any shares of Realty Income currently at its current price? Thank you guys for tuning in, and remember that if you guys haven't yet, please be sure to subscribe to the channel. Also, if you guys are interested in opening a Webull stock account or a Webull IRA account, you can also use my link in the description. I've also included links for other apps such as SoFi Invest, SoFi Money, Robinhood, and many others that you guys can either get free referral stocks or cashback referral bonuses. Thank you guys so much and have an amazing day.